I was just saying earlier that both your opening comments were so moving, Vishnu and Nidhi, and I just feel that this is such an important telethon we are doing for our elders and betters. And one thing that we've always been proud of about India, and much better than the Western world, is that we do look after our elders. We respect them and we look after them. But we must never forget that, and it might be wilting a little bit right now because Matthew Cherian, you've been working with HelpAge, you've headed HelpAge for years, and we worked together and built some wonderful institutions thanks to you. I mean, you are an amazing man, a man with a heart. I've never come across such a fine gentleman. I, and I'm not just saying that to your face, I say it behind your back also. But I just want to ask you, one of the phrases that is often used by HelpAge is that elderly in India, which is known to respect its elderly are becoming last in line now. Why is that? And especially at a time like this, it's a bit worrying because they are most vulnerable also, aren't they?
Thank you, Pranoy, and for our support during the tsunami and the Uttarakhand. And we also like to thank the NDV TV team for all their support and the viewers over the years. Why have they become last and lost? As they grow old, we have seen in every disaster situation that the elderly are unable to run after relief trucks or run after any kind of queuing system because they cannot be. So they always end up last and lost in the various queues during relief. And during my recent experience during the COVID pandemic, we had been to villages in Greater Noida where we found many elderly and widows and various people had not even got their ration or their pension. It was so sad to see them in hunger, and we felt that we should now step in and start working with them so that their food rations and their medical needs can be taken care of. And this extended lockdown has not done any of the elderly any good. It has been an extended sentence to loneliness, to isolation, to staying in their own homes. And we find even in our old age homes, they've all been made to stay inside their homes. So they're lost and last, and now they're nearing starvation. And you need to prevent them from hunger. And that is why we say this is the time for saving our seniors. And we are grateful that NDTV has taken up this cause of saving our seniors.
No, this comes from the bottom of our heart because we respect our elders. And I would like to remind all our viewers that if you'd like to contribute, please help out, because this will go to all your funds will go to HelpAge. We're doing tremendous work in this area. And remember that many of these elders were in the fight against the British for our independence. We owe them so much. They preserved democracy in our country for all these years, which is the proudest thing India has. So please, I know all of you feel very strongly about this, so do most Indians, so please come forward. One more question, just to identify, what exactly do you feel elders need right now?
At the moment, the elders need maximum is both food as well as medicines, because most of them, we were treating about 2 million elderly before the lockdown happened, and most of them have not been able to get medicines for the last 47 days. We now need to push in more medicines because most of them suffer from non-communicable diseases, and if you don't take your medicines on time, you're going to suffer from stroke or other diseases. So you may not die due to COVID, but you may die due to other diseases. So it is high time that these medicines and food reaches them. And also, we also request, today is Mother's Day. So we want to wish all the grandmothers, mothers, and all of them who looked after us, like Pranoy said, they are the ones who have fed us, they are the ones who have made them grow up. It is now our turn to give back to them. So spend some time, make your call to your mother, make your call to your grandmother, and see that they feel wanted in this isolated lockdown.
Right. Matthew Cherian, we just played actually a wonderful composition by Javed Akhtar for this day, and it made so much sense in this telethon. It's the first time it's been shown on any Indian television. The lyrics by Javed Akhtar and the singer was Shankar Mahadevan, and really is very, very special. And it's
Wonderful.
a tribute to you actually, and to
Thanks.
Helpage.
Thanks
Thank
to
you
Javed.
very, very much, and we'll be coming back to you. But the points you made are very important. Comorbidity, the elderly have other issues, so even if you get COVID-19, you may not actually die specifically of that, but the combination can be absolutely lethal and fatal. And they have the highest fatality rate, so we really have to look after them the most.